Hi guys, hope y'all are doing well. As I promised, I would show all of the Hobby Lobby and Michael's arts and craft supplies that I've gotten for my journaling. So kind of wanted to do that now. So if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. And if you're returning, thanks again for coming back. I don't have a specific order that I wanted to go through, so I'm just going to go with what's in front of me. I've got, of course, washi tape. We all know every journaler or agenda planner enthusiast needs some washi tape. After the importance of washi tape, we all need our sticker collection. So I have a lot of the Paper Studio sticker booklet sheets because I just think it's more cost effective to get these. I get these on sale normally, like during the Memorial Day holiday, 4th of July. That's when I get them. So the prices that you see on these are probably not going to be what I actually paid for them. Normally Hobby Lobby and Michael's does like 50, 75% off, sometimes even certain percentages off of their already marked down prices. So you can get a really good deal if you go at the right time or look. Anyway, I've got ones with really cute stylish girls, yeah, because I'm all about that. Anyway, so I've got that. Then I've got florals because I love flowers, and as you can see, I've used up a lot of these already. So, and you'll be seeing those in my journal flip throughs. And then this one actually was the Happy Planner. That's another one that I like getting the booklets for. So this one is, again, florals and positive affirmations. And again, I used a lot of these already. So, and then, okay, so this is another Paper Studio. Again, girly things. I love all of these girly stickers. This has like fall, summer, like seasonal, really cute stickers. And then this one's different from the other sets that I've gotten. It's called Recollections. And also, same thing, girly stuff. A lot of like lipstick, nail polish, fashion statements, and let's see. Yeah, I used a lot of these stickers already, so especially ones with the handbags and the coffee because I love both. Anyway. Alright, this one, again, it is the Happy Planner for this. And this is like mainly like calendar stuff. So it's got like things like to do or reminder or holidays, things like that. So yeah, so that's great. And now, of course, we move on to the ephemera because I love me some ephemera. So these have florals and butterflies, and I just have to say that this Jim Holtz, the maker of Jim Holtz items, ephemera, whatever, for journaling and planning, so cute. They do a lot of old world classics, historic kind of things, and so antique style, so cute. So a lot of my big huge butterfly, like beautiful butterflies have come from this set right here. Okay, so I misspoke. It's actually Tim Holtz. I knew I was saying it wrong, but I don't know what. Anyway, these are like postage stamp and signs of like antique shops, things like that in here. And maps, yeah, so this is a good one too. And these are just tabs, like tabs to show, like, for calendar, or if it's for like my YouTube stuff, or if it's like for my art, things like that. So that was cute. And then these are bigger pieces of ephemera paper cardstock. I don't know what you would call these. I mean, they just call it sheets. But anyway, so sometimes I'll like slip them in and fold them so it's like one, like these are double-sided, so I like that because I could just slip them in and then one side would have a different print and the other would have another print. So I like that. At first I didn't like it because I was like, well, what if I wanted to use like one side and not the other, but it works out so far. I also sometimes I'll cut some of these for like ephemera pieces because like I'll like part of the print and not all. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the tabs on this is from the Paper Studio. Sorry about that, you guys. Okay, so then that's that. And so I got actually 2 of these sheets. They're different prints, so. And then, of course, who could forget the paper doilies? This is Recollections. These have like heart doilies and it says like love on it. Some of them are just plain, they don't have any writing on it, and some of them are round, some of them are oval, so I like the variety. Okay, moving on to just regular Elmer's glue, and this is the stick kind. Yeah, so it's purple, but I mean when you apply it, it turns clear, and I just got a huge pack of that because I know, knowing me, I am going to use all of this for sure. I have, wanted to mention that this is paper on paper, it's good. So it's easy to just apply it and that's fine. This one is a little bit more expensive, but it does better with cardstock and ephemera. Because if you put this glue on ephemera on paper, it does not stick. I don't know what it is, why it doesn't stick. So it's two-sided tape from AdTech, and I just got refillables because if you, like I got a 4-pack of these and they were a lot more expensive just getting 4 packs. You can buy them again and again, but it's better to actually get the refillable ones. You can refill them yourself. And then I have burlap paper. I just cut these pieces out and use them as either decoration, like, you know, cut them out in shapes of hearts or something like that. And then I also use this to create that envelope for my checkbook and my receipts in my Mr. Darcy. And then I have the 3-ply cotton cord. And then I got the twine. The type of twine it is, because there's different types of twine. It says natural jute. So it is a little, like, it's got a lot of hairs on it. I mentioned that to y'all before. This one has more hairs than the other twine that I had. So there's different types of twine. But I still like it. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, that little envelope thing that I made for my checkbook and my receipts in my Mr. Darcy, it has held up. It is strong and it keeps it closed. So I really like it a lot. Alright, I also have a corner cutter? I guess that's what you call them. So if you have like sharp edges, you can corner them off and it makes a smoother edge so you're not cutting yourself on your notebooks. At first I didn't have this and I thought, oh, it's, you know, kind of a waste to get one of these. It doesn't matter to me, but I tell you, it makes a difference when you're turning your pages. Okay, and then I have this stencil set. Okay, so now we are on the stamps. So I have some wooden stamps. They have like botanicals. This is a ladybug. Just cute little butterflies. And this came in these little containers here from Stabilities is what it's called. So it's a barrel of stamps. This one has hearts and love and a key. I mean, just cute. And this one is the one with the botanicals on it. So it's got leaves, roses, sunflowers, butterflies, snails, and the ladybugs. So, same company. Oh, and then I got this, which it makes folding a lot simpler. Especially the cardstock paper, it's hard to fold. My wrist, because I type a lot for work, and I've been doing that for close to 20 years, so I think it's, you know, it kind of hurts a little bit sometimes. So this really helps out a lot. Okay, so the other stamps that I got are these, I don't know what they're made of. They feel like a gel, might be acrylic, I don't know, but I got, let me show you all this first. I got these stamps. These have like postage stamp things. These botanicals, leaves, botanicals, leaves, flowers, and then a map. So you guys see where I'm getting with this. I love this kind of stuff. That's basically the things that I get. So if it's butterflies, flowers, travel, I just love those things. And along with the stamping, I got this set right here. It's alcohol ink, and you can change, like it's kind of like a rainbow. You can do all kinds of things with it. And I got the alcohol ink applicators, and it came with a little stamp thing, so you put the applicator on there, the ink on there, and you can use them for these kind of things too. So that's the alcohol ink. I also got regular ink too, and this is the permanent type, so it's waterproof. This one's jet black. I put a little hair tie thing here because I don't want it to accidentally open and get ink all over the place. I also got different colored inks. So I have pink, I have green, purple, red, blue. It's made by Sukaneko Versacolor. Oh, and I forgot to mention that these little acrylic plastic type of things, you just stick it on this. I guess this is also made of hard acrylic. And you just put it on there. Use that as a base, stick it on the ink, and then you just stamp it on. It's nice and clear so you can see what you're stamping on the paper. So I really enjoyed these. I started off with the wooden stamps, and it is kind of hard to see where you're stamping, because you have to rely on the picture, and some of it doesn't really align the way that they printed on the wood. I don't know. Anyway, I still enjoy these though. But I prefer these. I like these a lot. So I have this paper cutter. It's by Fiskars. And I thought about getting the bigger kind, and it's a couple $100 for it, and it's more of an industrial, and you can do like a ton of pages, I guess 20 or more. But since I'm not going to be using it as it's intended to be used, like if I had like an Etsy shop maybe, if I was making stuff, then yeah, I'd get more of a heavy duty one, but this is like for $10 or something. Got this because you can do like 10 pages. I've tried it. I really like it a lot. It also has an extender, but I don't really use this. Like I said, it's very basic with me. So this is the Paper Studio, and I really love this a lot. It's got some antique looking prints, florals, old English type of print, and European style. I just love that kind of like French vibe. So yeah, love it. Okay, this is probably my favorite out of the bunch. And then I got this, Recollections is the brand name. As y'all know, I love butterflies. So this has a lot of butterflies and florals. Once again, love it, love it, love it. Then I have this because y'all know I love to travel. Same company, Recollections. They had like a buy one get two free at Michael's. Anyhow, again, this is for travel. I love to travel. I've used some of them already. And it's got cameras. It has some floral. It has luggage on there. Oops. Luggage. And has London and Hawaii and Rome, Tokyo in there. So yeah, love this. And then the last one, this is also Recollections, and it's got florals and more muted tones, like your browns, your blacks, your olive green, and I like those kind of colors. That's just colors that I love. I mean, I also like pinks and blues, but for the most part, like, gravitate towards this. Okay, I think that is it. That is my Hobby Lobby and Michael's journaling, planning, arts and crafts kind of deal. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Really appreciate y'all, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next one. So bye. Hope y'all are doing well. Take care.